Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Connect the Time Machine drive using USB or Thunderbolt and wait for it to mount. Open Finder and confirm the backup volume appears in the sidebar. Open System Settings and check the macOS version that matches the backup snapshot when possible. Verify the backup bundle shows recent snapshots and that the drive reports at least 10 GB free. If the drive fails to mount, use Disk Utility to run first aid before proceeding. Keep the Mac plugged into power during all recovery steps to avoid interruption. Open the Time Machine interface from the Time Machine menu and browse hourly snapshots visually. Navigate to the folder and select the specific files or folders you want to recover. Click Restore and let Time Machine copy items back to their original locations automatically. If a conflict appears, choose Replace or keep both according to your needs. After restoration finishes, open Finder and verify file contents and modification dates to confirm integrity. Empty the trash only after you are satisfied with the restored. If you need a full account or system restore, open Migration Assistant from Utilities and follow prompts. Connect the Time Machine backup drive and choose from a Mac, Time Machine Backup, or Startup Disk. Select the desired backup snapshot by date and time, and then pick the users, applications, and system settings to restore. Confirm your choices and click Continue to start the transfer. Restoration time depends on data size and connection speed. When Migration Assistant completes, restart your Mac and sign in to verify restored accounts and preferences. Keep the backup drive until you confirm everything is functioning correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.